I work in different capacities with different people depending on their circumstance. I am a mediator where I'm a neutral for two parties to help broker a deal between the two of them that they can live with. And I use the objective financial analysis to help broker that deal. But I also use the same process if I'm an advocate for just a single party. The way people engage me is we have a meeting and we determine if there's a fit and if we should work together. And then I have an engagement period. I work on a flat fee for a period of time. The reason I do a flat fee rather than hourly, I end up putting way more hours than my fee is, my flat fee would be. But I do that because, to me, the most basic fundamental tenet of a fiduciary relationship, and I am a fiduciary, is that there should not be a conflict of interest between the professional and the client. And in family law, the more the parties are in conflict, the more lawyers, I'll say, get paid when they work on an hourly basis. And so there's a built-in conflict of interest right out of the gate, okay? And these are the same folks who talk about not having a conflict of interest. How do I help make the divorce process more quickly? Well, the most expensive, the most time-involved process in a divorce is to use the courts, is to litigate. And my whole role is to facilitate settlement and preferably avoid court altogether, or if you are, let's say, sued or being sued, to minimize that time. I don't know how you could minimize that time if you don't have a divorce financial expert to cut to the chase and get to the meat and the potatoes of a settlement. How am I less costly than just using a lawyer? I don't think anyone should get divorced without legal counsel. I'm a lawyer. I'm a member of the bar. But legal counsel to me is drafting an agreement, reviewing an agreement from the legal perspective. It is not financial. It is not economic terms. If I'm buying a house, I rely on a realtor, not even a lawyer, to determine should the refrigerator freezer in the basement convey with a sale, or what the financing should be, or what the price of the house should be. So I may then take that contract before signing it to a lawyer to have it reviewed. But the negotiation is a financial exercise and specialty and expertise. And I will tell you, I never got any of this in law school, and neither did any of the practicing lawyers.